to send a little journal entry about our little dilemma we got going on here. All right, so here we go. Jason, Wenzhuo, and I are working on a documentary that we're trying to complete for the Lightning documentary assignment. We're trying to get an interview of Jaret Patterson, running back for the UB Bulls. It took a while, but we contacted John Fuller, UB's assistant AD for communication, to coordinate getting an interview, some footage of him practicing, team meeting, etc. Communication has been very slow, but we were trying to get some clips together to talk about it. And enter. What's our success like right now?
We have not met the guy we want to, so we don't have a chance to interview him. That's sad. So, but we got a good idea to make a documentary about we are not successful about like filming him. So yeah.
We tried pretty hard to try to get in contact with this communications director, but in the meantime, while we waited, Wenzhuo and I, we had a great conversation about America, China, Europe, cultures, religion, language. So I learned a lot from Jason. So our documentary is about us trying to make a documentary and what we did in between trying to make that documentary. That's what our documentary is. Good luck. February 29th. It's a leap year. And today I'm going to leap over from my house to UB's campus. And we're finally getting some footage of my main man, Jaret Patterson, running back for the UB Bulls. We're going to get some footage for our mini documentary that we have to turn in the next 3 days. So here we go. What do you think, buddy?
This is my first time been to a football field, and yeah, that's a good experience. I've never been to such a place like this. So,
American football, huh?
Yeah, American football.
Not rugby.
Yeah,
That's all the girls play rugby, right? No.
It's really interesting.
So, me and Wenzhuo just kind of wrapped up our little documentary footage inside this field house. So we're trying to just capture a little bit of B-roll here and there. The football field while it's snowing out, because they can't really use the field right now. We'll check that out. So what did you learn today? Anything?
Yeah, I learned like a lot, like how American football works and the practice, and it's really interesting.
And that you're not the tallest person.
Yeah, I'm not.
And I'm not the shortest person. Shout out to Jarrett.